Now students, we solve some numerical problems based on above concept. For solving number of problems, you have to remember the above chart or table, that is comparison of unit cell properties for simple cubic, body centered and face centered cubic lattice. Now we take first problem, that is a metal crystallizes in face centered cubic lattice if the length of the site of unit cell is 390 picometer. Calculate radius of the metal atom. So first we solve this problem with the given data. You have to write down in the left hand side. It is like this. What is given in your problem? Unit cell is FCC. Number 2, the length of cube, that is site, is given. A is equal to 390 picometer. For simplification, we have to write down 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter, and we want to calculate the radius. The first answer we get the structure of cubic lattice is FCC. Now number 2, the relationship between A and R in FCC is like this. A is equal to 4R divided by under root 2. We want to calculate radius, so the 4R is equal to A into under root 2. Again, for simple form, R is equal to A into under root 2 divided by 4. Now we know the value of A. Put the value directly, 390 picometer into value of under root 2 is 1.414 divided by 4. Therefore, the multiplication value of A and under root 2 is 551.54 divided by 4. We get R is equal to 137.88 picometer. This is the right answer. Also, we just convert into simple form, that is 137.88 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. So in this way we have to solve our first problem. Now we go to the next one. Number 2, calculate the number of atoms per unit cell of a metal having the lattice parameter 2.9 angstrom unit and density is 7.87 gram per cm cube. Atomic weight of metal is 55.85 and Avogadro's constant 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So this is our problem. First write down this given in the left hand side one by one. So the lattice parameter is given as A, that is value is 2.9 angstrom unit. We have to convert into simple form, that is 2.9 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Density is given, that is 7.87 gram per cm cube. Avogadro's number is given, that is 6.023 10 to the power 23. Now we have to find out number of atoms per unit cell. In the same fashion, if you find number of atoms per unit cell, we easily explain which types of lattice or unit cell present. So the first one, we have to know the relationship between density of unit cell and lattice parameter from the last videos. So it is directly rho is equal to m into capital M into n divided by na into a cube. We want to calculate number of atoms, so we just solve this equation like this. N is equal to rho into na into a cube divided by m. Put the value of different entities. N is equal to Avogadro's number 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 into 7.87 into 2.9 into 10 to the power minus 8 cube whole divide 55.85. In simple form, we have to multiply the value. So 47.220 into 10 to the power 23 into 2.9 into 10 to the power minus 8 cube whole divided by 55.85. More simple, 47.22 into 10 to the power 23 into 2.9 cube, that convert into 24.389, and minus 8 into 10 to the power minus 24 whole divided by 55.85. So the whole value multiply, we get n is equal to 1151.65 into 10 to the power minus 1 and divided by 55.85. We get the value n is equal to 20.6 into 10 to the power minus 1. We adjust this minus 1, we get n is equal to 2 or 2.06. It directly aggregate value is n is equal to 2. This n is equal to indicate that the number of atom per unit cell is 2. Hence the given cubic unit cell is BCC. So indirectly we have to find out which kinds of cubic cell is also present from the given data.